We have all witnessed this scene before. One person boards a first class flight, dressed casually, barely noticeable, while another stands nearby adjusting an expensive watch, hoping someone notices. It sounds like a misconception, but it exists for a reason. The people trying hardest to look rich are often carrying the heaviest financial burden. Real wealth doesn't need attention, it doesn't perform, it doesn't announce itself. And that's exactly what this video is about. Not appearances, but the quiet blueprint of real freedom. This isn't about looking successful, it's about actually being free. Most people believe freedom comes from the next promotion, a higher salary, or a lucky opportunity. But all that usually does is upgrade the hamster wheel. You earn more, you spend more, and stay just as trapped. Real freedom begins when your money starts working harder than you do. If every dollar you earn still requires your time and energy, you're not free. You're just busy. And deep down, you already know that. Today, we are breaking down 10 signs that someone is generally set for life. Not to judge, not to gossip, but to study patterns. Because if you want wealth, you need to stop watching people who look rich and start learning from people who actually are. Wealth leaves clues in habits, decisions, and mindset, and those clues are repeatable. One of the clearest signs of real wealth is prioritizing net worth over public approval. Quietly wealthy people care far more about their balance sheet than about who's impressed. The loudest person in the room is usually the one craving validation. People who truly have money doesn't feel that pressure. They buy homes and cars that fit their lives, not their image. They stay low-key because attention brings risk and they had nothing to prove. I once met someone who dressed the same every day, plain clothes, nothing flashy. Later, I found out he owns dozens of properties and earned more in a month than most people do in a year. When I asked why he didn't upgrade his lifestyle, he simply said, "I would rather be rich than look rich." That mindset is everything. Success isn't your paycheck, it's how much of your time you actually control. Another strong indicator is how they view cars. To them, car is a tool, not an identity. Most people destroy their finances trying to impress strangers with depreciating assets. Financing a car for years, especially at high interest rate, quietly steals your future. Wealthy individuals don't judge intelligence by the logo on the steering wheel. They buy what's reliable, pay it off, maintain it, and move on. While others stay trapped chasing monthly payments. People who are set for life also spend money to buy back time. They understand that time is the one resource no one can replenish. Instead of measuring wealth by bank balances, they measure it by how many hours of their day they actually own. If paying someone to handle chores or low-key tasks free up time for rest, family, or growth, they see it as an investment, not a luxury. That shift alone can change how life feels. Another sign is emotional stability. Truly wealthy people are quiet about their wins but loud about gratitude. They don't lie their identity to their net worth. Money is just a tool to support a meaningful life, not the purpose of it. When you know why you are building wealth, your decision becomes clearer. You stop chasing applause and start focusing on impact, peace, long-term fulfillment. You will also notice they are extremely intentional with spending. They hesitate over small, unnecessary purchases but act quietly on high-quality opportunities. They think in terms of return, not just money but leverage. They ask, what will this build for me? Instead of, will this impress someone? That clarity allows them to move decisively when it matters. They have also mastered patience. In a world designed to trigger impulse, they pause. They wait before making purchases, investments, or lifestyle upgrades. They understand that urgency is usually artificial and that clarity comes with time. Delayed gratification isn't about deprivation. It's about protecting your future from short-term distractions. Another common trait is choosing homes that support life rather than dominate it. Just because a bank approves you for a massive mortgage doesn't mean it's wise to accept it. Many wealthy people live below their means by choice. They value peace over prestige and flexibility over square footage. A home should reduce stress, not create it. Behind the scenes, they also use financial strategies most people never talk about. Tax planning, trust, estate structures, nothing flashy, just smart system working quietly in the background. They invested early in financial education and it pays dividend for life. Their schedules also reveals a lot. Their calendar isn't packed with obligations. It's designed intentionally. They protect their time, energy, and focus. They say no often. And finally, Perhaps the strongest sign of all, they give generously without needing credit. No announcement, no validation, just impact. Because real generosity doesn't perform, it serves. So the truth is, real wealth isn't loud. It doesn't sparkle under bright lights. It moves quietly, compounds patiently, and shows up as freedom. And the best part is, none of these habits require money to start. They are choices. And over time, those choices create a life most people only pretend to live. So if you like this video, then like, share, and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one.